Hello guys, welcome to the stunning Pacific Northwest, where breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture await. Washington State is a treasure trove of natural wonders, charming cities, and unique experiences. Join me as we explore the top 10 must-visit destinations in Washington that will captivate your heart and inspire your next adventure. Seattle. Seattle, the Emerald City, is a bustling metropolis known for its iconic Space Needle, vibrant art scene, and delicious coffee culture. Stroll through Pike Place Market to watch fishmongers toss salmon and savor fresh local produce. Don't miss the Chihuly Garden and Glass for stunning glass art, and take a ferry ride to Bainbridge Island for breathtaking views of the Seattle skyline. Mount Rainier National Park. Mount Rainier National Park is home to the stunning snow-capped Mount Rainier, an active volcano and the tallest peak in Washington. The park offers a variety of hiking trails, from easy walks to challenging backcountry adventures. In summer, wildflowers blanket the meadows, creating a picturesque landscape. Be sure to visit Paradise, known for its stunning views and visitor center. Olympic National Park. Olympic National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases diverse ecosystems, from rugged coastlines to lush rainforests. Explore the Hoh Rainforest for its ancient trees and vibrant greenery, or hike along the stunning coastline at Rialto Beach. The park's diverse landscapes make it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for hiking, kayaking, and wildlife viewing. Spokane. Spokane is a charming city with a rich history and a vibrant art scene. Visit Riverfront Park, where you can enjoy scenic views of the Spokane River and the stunning Spokane Falls. The city is home to several museums, including the Northwest Museum of Arts and Culture. Explore the local food scene, which offers everything from farm-to-table dining to food trucks. Leavenworth. Leavenworth is a Bavarian-themed village nestled in the Cascade Mountains. The town's unique architecture, shops, and restaurants create a charming atmosphere reminiscent of Germany. Enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, river rafting, or skiing in the winter months. Don't forget to indulge in authentic German cuisine and local craft beer while you're there. San Juan Islands. The San Juan Islands are a serene escape known for their stunning landscapes and outdoor activities. Take a ferry to Friday Harbor, where you can explore local shops and enjoy fresh seafood. Kayaking and whale watching are popular activities, and the islands offer breathtaking views of the Puget Sound. With charming bed and breakfasts and stunning sunsets, it's the perfect getaway. Tacoma. Tacoma is a vibrant city with a rich industrial history and a growing arts scene. Visit the Museum of Glass to see stunning glass sculptures and live glass-blowing demonstrations. The LeMay, America's Car Museum, showcases an impressive collection of automobiles. Take a stroll along the waterfront and enjoy the beautiful views of Mount Rainier in the distance. Whidbey Island. Whidbey Island is a picturesque destination with charming towns, beautiful beaches, and lush forests. Explore the quaint town of Langley, known for its art galleries and local shops. Visit Deception Pass State Park for stunning views and hiking trails. The island is also home to several wineries, making it a great spot for wine enthusiasts to sample local flavors. Walla Walla. Walla Walla is famous for its wineries and vineyards, making it a top destination for wine lovers. Take a wine tour and taste some of the region's finest offerings, or explore the charming downtown area with its boutiques and restaurants. The city has a rich history, and you can visit the Fort Walla Walla Museum to learn more about its past. North Cascades National Park. North Cascades National Park is often called the American Alps for its stunning mountain scenery and diverse ecosystems. The park offers numerous hiking trails, including the scenic Cascade Pass, which provides breathtaking views of glaciers and peaks. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply enjoying a scenic drive, North Cascades is a hidden gem that should not be missed. There you have it, guys. From the vibrant streets of Seattle to the serene landscapes of the San Juan Islands, Washington State offers a diverse array of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. Which destination are you eager to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring.